Good morning, students. In this lecture, we are going to learn about the purpose of preparing bank reconciliation statement and its usefulness or importance. So, our topic is purpose, usefulness, or importance of preparing bank reconciliation statement. Friends, we have learned about the meaning of bank reconciliation statement and why it is prepared and when it is prepared. So, friends, we very well know this. The first point says that with the help of bank reconciliation statement, reasons of differences between bank balance as per cash book and bank balance as per passbook can be found. Yes, when we are ready with the reasons which are responsible for the difference between bank balance and the balance as per cash book, then only we can prepare bank reconciliation statement. So by preparing bank reconciliation statement, anytime we can know the reasons of differences between balance as per cash book and balance as per passbook. Moreover, friends, when the reasons are detected, that is reasons which are responsible for the difference between the balance of cash book and balance of passbook, then if any errors are there, that can be rectified with the help of accounting entries, with the help of necessary accounting treatment. So first 2 points will be with the help of bank reconciliation statement, reasons of difference between balance as per cash book and bank balance as per passbook can be found out. Second one, as the causes of difference can be found out between the balance of cash book and passbook, errors committed, if any, can be rectified with the help of necessary accounting treatment. See, when the error is detected, it becomes very simple to rectify it. But for rectification of such error, we give accounting treatment. So those errors which are detected can be rectified. Then, if any transaction is omitted to be recorded in cash book, information regarding it can be collected, and by recording it, correct bank balance can be arrived at. So, friends, at the time of recording the transactions in cash book, if any transaction is left out by mistake, by omission of error of omission, so that can be recorded and correct balance can be find out. Fourth, if any transaction while recording them, if any error are committed in recording any transaction, they come to know immediately and errors can be rectified. Friends, this is about, suppose at the time of recording, suppose we commit some mistake like recording by more amount or with less amount, so such errors can be found and can be rectified. Example is given: a check of rupees 5,000 is received, but by mistake it is recorded as only rupees 500 in bank column of cash book. So check was received, but by mistake it is, instead of writing 5,000, it is recorded with the help of with the amount of rupees 500. That is 4,500 less amount is debited to cash book in bank column. So that can be known, and that can be rectified, or that can be the effect can be given to increase that much of amount at the debit side of cash book, right? Next, by preparing bank reconciliation statement, actual bank balance can be known, which is shown in balance sheet, and thereby real financial picture of business is obtained. Friends, we know that balance sheet is prepared to know the true and fair financial position of the business. So by preparing bank reconciliation statement, actual bank balance can be known, and which help us to show the clear picture or real financial picture of our business by showing it at the at the balance sheet. If it is overdraft, it will be shown at the liability side. If it is bank balance, will be shown at the asset side. The next one is embezzlement of cash from bank transactions can be traced out and by preparing bank reconciliation statement. That is what, if any amount is appropriated from our bank account and which is not known to us, that is to owner, and it is done by maybe some of the employee who is authorized to do so, that can be known by preparing bank reconciliation statement. Because when we prepare bank reconciliation statement, we go through each and everything thoroughly and we come to know about each and everything. So that helps us to stop such kind of embezzlement of cash from our bank transactions. Okay, next one. Compensating errors can be traced out by preparing bank reconciliation statement. Even when both the balances are same, it does not mean that there is no reason of difference or error. In that case also, reason of difference or error may be there, but they compensate against each other. Friends, while discussing the meaning of bank reconciliation statement, we have discussed about that even though the balance as per cash book and balance as per passbook are same, we need to prepare bank reconciliation statement. We should prepare bank reconciliation statement. The reason behind it, that there may be errors, but those errors are compensating each other, maybe more than one error, and they are compensating each other. Say for an example, suppose a check of rupees 5,000 is received, which is recorded in cash book as rupees 50,000. So friends, in cash book bank column debit side, we will be writing it by rupees 50,000, but actually the check is of 5,000, so bank is going to credit only 5,000 for the same. So there will be a difference of rupees 45,000. Our cash book will show 45,000 more than the passbook. And at the same time, suppose a customer deposit rupees 45,000 directly to our bank account, which is unknown to us. So 45,000 will be credited by bank on behalf of that customer to our account. Now these two errors are compensatory error, which will be compensating each other, and there will be no difference between the balance, though there are errors. So compensating errors can be found, can be traced out, and can be rectified by preparing bank reconciliation statement. The friends, last point is, by preparing bank reconciliation statement, information can be obtained regarding check deposited but dishonored, as well as interest, commission, charges, etc. recorded by bank in our account. Friends, when we are involved in a business, many times we ignore many things, like suppose somebody giving us a check, paying his amount through check, and a check is received, we understand that the amount is received to us but actually the payment of that check should be credited to our bank account, then only we will consider it, right? So sometime what happens, customer is issuing a check and we are depositing our bank account, but that check becomes dishonored due to any reason. There was there was not enough balance in the account of that customer, or the signature mistake, or any other problem was there with the check, which because of that check became dishonored and the amount could not be deposited in our bank account. So in that case, friends, what we do, we don't come to know directly, so that can be known from the bank passbook. And when we go through the bank passbook, when we prepare bank reconciliation statement, we will come to know about such things. Also, some interest given by bank or taken by bank, or bank commission or charges, anything which is recorded by bank which is not known to us will come to our information, and we will be considering that information. So friends, there was some purpose of preparing bank reconciliation statement which we have discussed in this lecture. In next lecture we will be discussing about reasons for difference between bank balance as per passbook and bank balance as per cash book. Thank you.